Hey guys, this is Alex from Brothers Hobby. Today we'll be reviewing the Greenwolfgear Hanroku Trooper Deluxe version in 1/6 scale figure. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and remember to hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our latest video. And without further ado, let's begin. So we have here is the Greenwolfgear Hanroku Trooper in Deluxe version. Let's open the bag, or take away the bag. And you can see the packaging right here. And on the side. And at the back. And if you haven't noticed, in the package, it's right here, it says salt back, which is supposed to be salt black. That's a typo right here. I find it quite funny because I guess it's not supposed to happen. And let's open it up. So it's completely black. The box, it's matte and has their company name, Greenwolfgear, and logo with the Greenwolfgear again. Okay, so right here, that's where you open it. It's magnetic, and it comes with an instruction sheet. Right here, the battery installation, which I got my battery. So here's the foam to protect the figure, and then we have the figure itself right here. So we have the Hanroku Trooper itself right here, and you can see the body and the armors. The shoulder pads and body pads are, this one is magnetic. You can see right here. It's a magnet inside the shoulder pad. You can hear the sound. So just a little background about the designer of this figure, which is John. He used to serve in the British Army and in the armored regiment, and has a vast knowledge and experience of weapons, and he also, which enable him to construct accurate weapons, detailed weapons in highly detailed, and so quite a lot of these figures, their equipments are similar to the real army, like what they use. And you can see right here his head, his helmet, which he has nothing inside. But you can see they use a real string thing. I don't know what it's called, but you can see it rotating. Whoops. That's magnetic as well. And this is the inside. It's closed. And here's some mud texture right here. And another shoulder pad that is magnetic as well. And there's some dirt on the side. The clothing is just cloth and some details right here. And you can see the joint inside right here. And then his hand is really soft like silicone like. Whoops, let me pick it up. You can see the inside of this. Just closing. We can put his arm back, or hands, not arms, oh god. And then the belt on the arm, the armor, and yep, you can take this off as well. Just the belt right here. You can put it back on. Fits perfectly. And then his knee area is really flexible. I think it feels hard. It's a hard body on the leg and the thighs and the knee. And you can't take, well, you can take this off. You can slide this off here. And then his shoes has this dirt texture to it. And on the bottom, and also his arm. In this series of the figure, this is the Hanroku Trooper, who eliminates high prioritized targets in his, and then whereas the other one that they have for Kickstarter right now, that one is for the other genocide, which is the red one, and this one focus on eliminating important targets. As you can see, the details is really good. And you can see his equipment. You have this button and his helmet, where I need to change his battery at the back. So I put the battery pack in here. So I have to unscrew this. So I took all the 4 screws off, and it opens like this. This is the inside. Let me grab the battery. They use the CR1220 battery. So after you open it, there's the inside. And I insert the battery here. They press down it and it locks. And I close it. And screw the screw back. Okay, so I got the battery. And you see right here, it lights up by pressing this button. And we can attach it back to the head. And it's magnetic right here, so it's really convenient to put it back on. Whoops. Like so. Turn it off. And then we can take the parts in the package. So it comes with its own screw, but I have my own, so I don't have to use it. And Here we go. We have the gun right here. There's quite a few parts inside. As you can see right here. The other side, just plastic, and it has this rubber grip. It's really detailed. And also this. And the scope part. Right here. And we could assemble it. So you slide this part into the grids right here, like so. Oh, the other way. So it's locked, and it's adjustable. And this part where it's the handle that you can grip onto, here's the handle. And you slide it on again onto the grid at the bottom. Okay, we got that done. And another part that you slide on right here at the front for the scope. Another part right here that you slide on for the scope. You can do this, which is pretty neat. And I found this not fitting that well, that it keeps falling off when it's on the grid. Like, even if I slide it in, I can still pull it off, whereas these ones are more tight and it's less movable. And another rocket, or smoke bombs, is it rockets? Right here. So there's no attachment for this, just as is. But we can take a look at the details. Again, it has the dirt feeling on the battle marks. And it's a hole. And it has this detail. It's blue on this side, and then it's red on the other side. And there's the handle. You can move this as well. And we have here is the pestle and the holder. For the belts, you can't attach it on his leg, and another on top. You can slide it right in. So right here we have the grenades. It feels really light, and right here it's really detailed. It even has the knob right here. It's not that flexible, you will break it. And we have an offensive grenade right here. As the designer works in the army before, so he is well known for all the equipments that they have. Right here, and again, really detailed. And we have this right here, which is the pack for the grenades, I assume. Yep. So right here, there's just some foams inside to not change the shape of the bag. And again, right here, it has the string that you can hold on to his belt. Right here, it's a knife. Right here. Really accurate. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it might be something to monitor something. Just leave it. And right here is the knee pads that you can attach it on his knee. It is magnetic as well. Can get him and show you the knee pads. Like so. Just put it on top. It's magnetic as well. And we have right here is the RPG rocket propelled grenade that it shoots out. And you can see the details that it's done. That you can stick it out. And we have here some utility belts. We can take it out, which is really detailed, just like the real ones. This is stretchy, it's elastic, and it has the hook at the bottom or each end. You can see it's really detailed. And the one at the bottom. You can open this as well. You can open this as well and hook it onto something. And this one you can't really open it. Yeah, and the one on the top you can't really open it. And then there's some disc. It's magnetic as well. That's it for today, the review for the Greenwolfgear Hanroku Trooper Deluxe version in 1/6 scale. And if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.